Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Whoa! Three, one. Assalamu alaikum and greetings, Alishan Mao here, and welcome back to more RC bashing videos. I have here in my hands the ZD Racing Pirates 2 BX8 1/8 scale 4-wheel drive on-road off-road electric RC buggy. ZD Racing claims that this buggy, which runs on a 3S battery, 3-cell battery, it's running 3S 3000 milliamp battery, can actually pick up 80 kilometers speed. Well, that's a lot of speed, but having to have a 4-wheel drive buggy with off-road wheels, I would love to test it off-road first to see how well it does off-road, because on-road basically any vehicle can perform. On-road I'll bring it if it survives the off-road, just to see if it is really 80 kilometers an hour or not. Okay, enough said. Let me give you a closer looky at the buggy and its internal guts, and then let's get it dirty. Alright, the first look at the buggy, you will say, wow, it really is a very nicely built, good looking buggy right here. Color scheme in blue on the shell. There is a nice spoiler, big spoiler at the back side. Okay, so overall on the shape, it's really nice and aggressive looking racing buggy. Off-road wheels with nice white rims. Okay, soft rubber tire, look very grippy and nice. It does have big bore oil filled adjustable shock absorbers on the front and as well on the back. Independent suspension systems with sway bars for rollover protection. Okay, let me just show you what's inside. Inside its guts, there's a brushless motor. Okay, an ESC right here, very simple setup, ordinary setup, high torque servo, a receiver case, and a 3000 milliamp 3S battery. Central transmission and the spur gear, the big spur gear, is plastic, while the motor pinion gear is metal. Not sure how long it will survive. I mean, the gear and the buggy on this off-roading, but we're gonna find out very soon. Okay. Before I drive, I'll just give you a quick overview of the radio control. It's a 4-channel radio control. Very nice build. Seems like it's their own OEM design. There are enough options right here to set your dual rates and trims, and that's all what we need. Basically, the radio is programmable for 4-channel use. Receiver is 4-channel as well. So right now, anyway, I'm not interested in that. Right now, we are just interested to see what this buggy can do. I drove it at home. The first thing I noticed was that the gear mesh is way too tight. I have no idea. It feels like it's very tight, or maybe because it's new. That is why. Say the gear makes a lot of noise. Alright, so let's bring it on road. Yeah, definitely with 1/8 scale or 1/5 scale brushless buggies, you don't want to stand behind them on this kind of stony place, because oh look, they can send stones at your way at bullet speeds. Sometimes doesn't hurt much on the body, but if the stone goes into your eyes, trust me, that's it. So don't ever stand behind you know, fast and furious 1/8 scale brushless buggies, trucks, and pull full throttle. Remember this, I have suffered some of the stone hits. Yeah, the ground clearance is very low basically. These buggies are basically designed for, you know, racing on the tracks. Okay, nobody's on the road. Looks like the road is built for me. Alright, let's see what speed can it pull. Is that an 80 kilometer an hour? I don't think so. I have seen 80 kilometer an hour before. You can drift it on road, definitely. Sweet. All right, that's enough here. Let's bring the baby off-road. Ah, I can see how the tires are basically shredding the stones. Ah, this buggy can climb up. Yeah, baby. My little truck couldn't climb up, but this one can. Nice. So I can actually do some kind of, you know, wall scaling here. So here we go. Oh, that was a nice hit on the stone right there. That is like, you know, one of those challenges that people do with real buggies and off-road machines. If you can climb up or not. Maybe we are hitting the wrong angle. Ah, man, this could be fun if you bring your friends here, you know. Yeah, wall scaling. Woo! Man, I can tell you one thing. I want to bring this buggy to skate park, and this is going to be lots of fun. Oh, it's the stone hitting my new Citroen. Well, it's not new, it's just old, but hey, it's still new for me. The stone's hitting my car so bad, and that is why I say you don't want to be behind these vehicles. Nice, man. I'm actually enjoying bashing it. So basically, ZD Racing, your buggy is still alive, man. It's still alive and kicking. You know, I love racing these, but there's no racing track here. Woo! Look at those stones flying, right? Whoa! Remind me not to be in the ways of those stones. Oh man, this thing is really badass, huh? It's a good angle to watch. Look at this steep climb, man, and the buggy is still doing it, right? No! Yeah, thank you. That's a nice bashing area, man. I love it. I think my 1/5 scale truck is going to have the time of its life. That was a bad hit actually right there. Still alive, it's still alive, don't worry. Don't hit my broken foot. I like it, man. I like this buggy. If it doesn't break, I'm just gonna give it 2 thumbs up. Remind you, I'm playing on stones, which basically are well known to, you know, rip the spur gear. Okay, carefully go down, Alishan mouth, don't run. So yes, these stones, if you play RC cars on stones, you are basically more likely to rip your spur gear compared to playing on, you know, on the road or on a track, proper track. Sweet, it will actually do some nice jump here. Look at that, I was talking about that. All right. Awesome. Oh, that was nice, huh? You heard that sound as well. Yeah, baby, those two were nice jumps. That's what I'm talking about. Nice. I can feel my throttle is giving up. So to say, time to charge the battery and give the buggy some rest. Oh, that was a nice jump, man. All right, let's give battery some rest. All right, come talk to me, Pirates 2. Tell me how you're feeling. Okay, turn it off. Motor is hot, man. Motor is hot, but what I am concerned about is the spur gear, which is beautifully intact. Not a scratch on that. That's what I was worried about, and I'm happy that ZD Racing Pirates 2 does have some quality components here. Otherwise, while playing on rocks like this, the spur gear is the first thing that you're gonna rip very, very quick. Rest of the parts actually seem intact and no problems at all. Just look at the bottom plate. It's all scratches here from stones. There are no issues in this buggy here. Everything is nice and good. Shocks are not leaking. Shocks are doing very good at the moment. I don't see any kind of leaks anywhere. So to say, I can conclude that ZD Racing basically did a good job, right? Absolutely, 2 thumbs up for ZD Racing Pirates 2. Three, 1. One. Cheating. Lost it. Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button. Right there. Come on, don't be shy. Just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button right there.